5,000 pieces layer chicken cage in Cameroon, Africa. The chicken shed is 48 length. The width is 8 meters and the height is 3 meters. It comes with the cage system, manure removal system, and feeding trolley. It is A-type 4-tier layer barrier chicken cage. 2 rows. Each row 2,500 pieces birds. Here is the manure removal system. The manure belt will collect the manure outside of the chicken shed completely to the back. Here is the cage parts. It is 4-tier chicken cage. Each sets 120 pieces of birds. So each set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. Each cell we can place 3 birds inside. The cage consists with stand system. This stand system is high zinc rich galvanized material. U-shape, making sure it's lasting longer. And the cage wire mesh parts. The wire mesh is Q235 wire mesh with hot dip galvanizing material. It can lasting 15 years, no rusting. And the water pipe. Water pipe is for water system together with the water nipple so that the birds can drink in here freely. And the back here is water pressure valve. This is the back side of the water pressure valve. Later we are going to see the front of the water pressure valve. This is the feed trough. Feed trough is where the birds eat the feed. So this is the consist of the cage system. Now let's go to the back side to see how it looks. So this is the first tier, the egg collection of the first tier. It is not tall. Even a female like me, I can reach it easily. So that egg collection is not a problem. This is a water pressure valve. So it can make sure that the front and the back have the same water pressure valve. So that's no leakage. And also all the birds can have same quantity of water. Later, we're going to connect the tube with the water tank over there. So this is the manure dip. The manure dip is 2.1 meters. So this is another square board. So all the manure will be collected outside. Let's go outside to see. So all the manures will be removed completely outside of the chicken shed so that you can have a smell-free chicken shed. Okay, if you also need a layer project, contact Demeter Chicken Cage so that we can offer you the solution. You can WhatsApp +86 188 3819 6003 for a solution to your own project.